welcome at the Global Mixed Reality Bootcamp 2019. For the second time, this mixed reality event is happening at more than 35 locations worldwide. And we are proud that due to you, the community, this can be made possible. This event focuses on mixed reality, augmented reality, web XR, web VR, machine learning and artificial intelligence. My name is Alexander Meijers and I'm a solutions architect and mixed reality evangelist working for a Microsoft partner in the Netherlands. Together with Sjaak Rizal, we are the founders of the Mixed Reality User Group in the Netherlands, which is actually going to be more international in the coming year. And we are also the initiators of the Global Mixed Reality Bootcamp. Thanks to Microsoft as a global sponsor and thanks to you as the community, the event is becoming one of the largest mixed reality events worldwide. Mixed reality is for me a blend between the real world and the digital world, which helps people to improve, shorten and even make their work safer. Myself, I started 3 years ago with mixed reality. My focus with mixed reality is in the industry and around data visualization. My actual background is Office 365 and Azure. And that is one of the reasons that I'm really interested in combining mixed reality with those services through data visualization and new forms of interaction with that data in 3D space. I work with devices like Microsoft HoloLens and Keynote for Azure. The journey into the future of mixed reality is just starting and I'm proud to be part of that journey. So enough about me. Today you are going to have a great day with a lot of experiences, learning, sessions, workshops, community gathering and meeting people in real life. And maybe in virtual reality using Altspace VR. We have set up a channel for that. And who knows, I will talk to you there. But before we start, we have asked some of the organizers a few questions about their journey in mixed reality. And don't forget to share your experiences online via Twitter using the hashtag MRGlobalBootcamp19. Have fun!
Hi, my name is Adityo. I'm from Mixed Reality Community Indonesia and one of the organizers for Global AR MR Bootcamp 2019 here in Jakarta. So, what I do with mixed reality, I'm a software engineer. I'm developing mixed reality application, especially for the HoloLens. And what does this community mean to me? This mixed reality community is really means so much to me, full of amazing people, so much amazing things happen, such as event, hangout, discussion, and also from this community I gain so much from sharing. I gain so much ideas from these amazing people. I learn so much things about mixed reality, such as technical things, even the business cases, and also another amazing things that will help a lot of people by using this technology. And this is gonna be an awesome journey for the next years. For one of the project with mixed reality, I have done some project using mixed reality for this past year. Got a lot of amazing journeys and also experiences. The good one and also challenging one is doing a beam viewer for one of the local construction company here in Indonesia. We're building a 3D model interaction to their building model. So much thing happened at the time that my first project, a lot of challenging because the model is too heavy to put the other application without so much thing happen there. And yeah, I learned so much lesson and experience for developing a mixed reality, and that was fun. And for the event with the community, I really like doing meet up and hang out because I love to meet a lot of people, from newcomer, enthusiasts, developer, business people, and also expert. We love to share and hearing so much perspective and ideas. I gain so much insight, and also I have to be able to share mine also. Seeing first timer to try mixed reality experience is makes me really happy. I'm really happy to see their excitement and joy. They're trying mixed reality experience, playing with the holograms. They're they're doing so much fun with it, and I love to see people enjoy the mixed reality experience and be a part of our journey to make and build community here more bigger. And also what I expect for mixed reality, I hope mixed reality will be adopted more in more and more industry and also more countries, especially here in Indonesia. There's so much opportunity here, and so many people very excited about this technology, and so much excitement from the people that I met and talked about the mixed reality. And this will be a great journey, an amazing journey for mixed reality here in Indonesia. And I think that's all from me. Welcome to Global MR Bootcamp 2019. Let's build amazing things together, and let's get it started. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Dino. I'm a software developer, mixed reality developer, living in Germany and working at Media Lesson, which is a creative agency based in Germany, and part-time in Munich. Mostly I've been working with Microsoft's HoloLens device so far and the Windows mixed reality platform, using Unity to create immersive applications. But I am working, and I've been working with all the other major platforms as well, be it VR, AR, or MR. And in my free time, I like to create games for mixed reality platforms. And yeah, generally I'm very passionate about mixed reality. The mixed reality community means a lot to me. It's a very passionate community, very connected community, where you can get help for anything you need. So whenever you're stuck with some problem, people will help you. They will share their experience, their knowledge, because everyone has the same goal. We want to make mixed reality succeed, and yeah, give it some more recognition, create cool immersive experiences, and that's what I love about the community. My favorite mixed reality event until now must be the Unite conference. It's not a mixed reality event specifically, but it's a Unity Developers Conference, which is held annually. And yeah, so I like it because there is in fact a lot of VR, AR, MR topics there. There's a lot of people working in the industry, and there's Unity experts you can ask the heavy questions and get help and learn new cool things. So that's what I enjoy a lot. And I haven't been able to attend the Mixed Reality Bootcamp last year, but this year I'm attending, so who knows, that might change. My expectations for mixed reality are high, so I'm expecting a lot. I'm expecting it to get more popularity, wider usage. I'm expecting to see more and more enterprises to adopt mixed reality as a technology and as a tool to create and to basically use it in their daily work. I'm expecting and hoping for a lot more VR gaming experiences, and especially I'm hoping for the HoloLens platform, which is still my favorite device, to see it wider usage and to see it grow and come closer to the point where we can eventually see a consumer version of the device, which would be awesome, I think.
Ciao, I'm Clemente Giorio. I'm an R&D Senior Software Engineer at Delta 3. With the cutting-edge technology, I'm building innovative POC. In particular, with the mixed reality, I have the opportunity to realize Sci-Fi products. The mixed reality community for me is a way to share my passion, my knowledge, and from the side is a way to learn. My coolest project was a multimodal sensor experience experiment, a project that allows the user to be projected in another place involving all the senses, for example, from the smell to the touch. For me, every mixed reality event is an opportunity to grow and have fun. Mixed reality has a bright future without any doubt.
Hello, my name is Will Fleming, organizer for the United States Lehigh, Utah event. I am Senior Software Engineer doing C#.NET Core Development for Cornerstone Credit in Draper, Utah. However, I'm also a mixed reality developer for ubiquitous.com. The mixed reality community is awesome. So much help. Everyone's so willing to assist. It's been a wonderful experience learning this new technology. Community means a lot. I've developed a couple apps that will be used as part of space simulator missions for a local school. It's the coolest to see these kids interact with holographic content. I absolutely love bringing technology into children's lives and watching their imagination and knowledge grow. This year, I attended Mixed Reality Dev Days in Redmond. It was fantastic. I got to meet the people I was talking to on the phone with tech support. I got glimpses of new technology directly from those working on it at Microsoft. I even got to try out the now seemingly mythical HoloLens 2. It's just incredible technology. However, the most important was meeting the other developers working on this same technology, getting to know them as people and learning from them. That's been the best part about these events with this community. I think mixed reality is going to continue to grow. It's so impactful, it's so intuitive, it's so compelling. I remember the first night I put on the HoloLens. I felt like the character in Disney's Tron, Kevin Flynn, speaking about the grid. Quote, dreaming of a world I thought I'd never see. And then one day I got in. I felt like that night I had gotten in. And I didn't want to leave. That's mixed reality.
My name is Brian Lukman, and I'm the founder of Bootcamp Africa. Bootcamp Africa is a community of developers and enthusiasts in the exploration of immersive technologies like mixed reality. We have a presence in 4 countries in Africa, and we've been working on projects on mixed reality. I'm also an augmented and virtual reality developer, and I've involved myself in couple of projects like a CNC Latte on General Lab to train students on CNCs, and also I've worked on medical virtual environments to train basic life-saving skills to people, to schools, to medical personnel. In the next couple of years, we wonder how we ever live without technologies like augmented and virtual reality, because this technology stands to transform the landscape of technological innovations, ranging from the way we learn, from workspace, from health to mobility, to, mixed reality is actually revolutionizing the way everything actually works. Mixed reality is applicable everywhere. So we need to create a synergy and collaborative efforts for the mass adoption of this technology. So we need mixed reality communities to actually achieve that. It's a key importance to the advocacy of this technology. So in African diaspora, it's like mixed reality is in the early stage of like mobile, whereby we have to use the land phone, getting people to really understand the use of it, from ranging from calls to text messages and all like that. Mixed reality is at the early stage, so we need to create a synergy for people to actually adopt it, from learning from educational the institution to businesses to adopting it to drive their businesses. Actually, I've worked with couples of projects on mixed reality. So the most I am so passionate about working right now is the medical laboratory for training medical personnel. So I find it as, I look at it as remedial learning platforms to, and we all know that the power, there's so much power in visualization, and also, the ability for mixed reality to provide unlimited resources for people to learn is a key part of it. So I always love to actually walk around such a solution, and that's what I've been doing for over a year right now. Actually, one of my best moments in the technological experience was when I met with Alex Kipman. It was actually an amazing time. So I was able to learn from his talk what mixed reality actually is and how it is transforming the industries. So basically, I watched the previous event that's organized by Microsoft, which happens at Zurich with mixed reality. So I've not been physically present in mixed reality event, but I've watched couples of mixed reality events on YouTube, and mostly talks by Alex Kipman, and I've gained a whole lot of things from it. The world is already engrossed to the advancement of technology, most especially augmented reality. The way AR actually captures our imagination. No other technologies have been able to actually do that, and the rate at which virtual reality is giving us an immersive experience, it's incomparable. So mixed reality is set to transform the world by offering virtual services, and also trying to bridge a collaborative environment for the virtual space and the digital and the physical world. So I believe most businesses are really coming in to put in to invest in a lot to mixed reality products. Most enterprises, investors are coming in now. So what I perceive as the future for mixed reality, number one, is to make available, ensure the transfer of knowledge to developers and adoption to building mixed reality products. And also, number two is that investors really need to put in so much money for the research and development of mixed reality. And also, we need an advocacy community to talk about the use of mixed reality to different communities and business levels and organizations for adoption. So, and with that, I believe that mixed reality will really do a lot in transforming every ecosystem, from technology to the healthcare to financial to industries. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Augustin Koya. I am the organizer of the largest open source software community in Bombay and its longest running tech meetup. My foray into virtual reality began about 3 to 4 years back, and it's really the wow factor that pulls you in, right? It literally blows up your mind. But now I see this technology maturing, whereby mainstream enterprise apps are beginning to adopt it. A case in point, my most favorite childhood memory was that of playing and trying to fly in the mock airplane in my neighborhood garden. As a kid growing up in developing India, that was the most we could aspire to, right? To be in a plane. But now, even before I book an airline ticket, most of these airline companies provide me an immersive experience of how it feels to be in that aircraft. And taking that thread about Enterprise app, the most impressed I am was the app that was built for virtual reality for air traffic controllers, where you can tilt their head and they can see what aircraft is at what distance and what elevation. Now that's brilliant, right? Hopefully these things will inspire you. Have a great global MR Bootcamp. Bye.
こんにちは。私は酒井達也と申します。ツイッター上では酒井というアカウントで活動させていただいています。私は2年くらい前にホロレンズアプリ開発に携わるようになってからはホロレンズやモバイル AR などといった MR アプリ開発の者として仕事をしています。また1年くらい前からは東京ホロレンズミートアップというホロレンズのエンジニアイベントの運営スタッフや司会をさせてもらっています。 ミクストリアリティコミュニティは、人とリアルにつながれる場所だと思っています。特に MR アプリケーションはその場で体験させて、あるいは体験して開発者と話をするということで得られるものがとても大きいです。そのようなイベントを提供していくということがミクストリアリティコミュニティの大きな役割だと思います。私のプロジェクトではないのですが、アドバンストテクノロジーラボというオープンイノベーションスペースで開催された ATL、MR、リアルバーチャル勉強会がとても印象深いです。この勉強会では現実空間、ホロレンズとそれとほぼ同じに作った VR 空間、オキュラス GO の両方で同じ勉強会に参加するという試みでした。私も会場で体験したんですけども、VR と AR を組み合わせたミクストリアリティの可能性をとてもよく体現したプロジェクトだと感じてました。もちろん東京ホロレンズミートアップです。ホロミートアップでは発表者へのリスペクトがとても高くて雰囲気が良いところが素晴らしいです。ホロミートアップでは真面目なセッションあり、愉快な LT ありと発表者のバラエティが飛んでいて、参加者もそれに応じて的確に盛り上げてくれます。これはこのイベント独特の特徴だと思います。ミクストリアリティの現実を補完するというところに期待しています。もうこれはコンセプトムービーやアニメの中だけではなくて、どうやって現実にするかという段階に入っていると思います。例えばなんですけども、イベントでツイッターで知ってる人がいるみたいなんだけども、現実に会ったことがないからちょっとどこにいるのかよくわからないということが、私はよくあります。こういうこともMR を使えば解決していけるのではないかと思いますし、 ATL-MR のような実践的なプロジェクトもすでにいくつか出てきているという状況ではあります。この他にもミクストリアリティを日常的に使うアイデアというのはすでに多く出てきています。エンジニアとして、あるいはコミュニティメンバーとしてこれを少しずつでも現実に使えるものとして出していくことに貢献していければと思っております。ありがとうございました。
Hi, my name is Rita Arrigo and I'm a digital advisor creating business value with technology in health, government and financial services. Mixed reality is a great way to bring in so many advanced ideas like data augmentation, contextual data, computer vision, and new ways to collaborate in 3D. The mixed reality community is my go-to for inspiration and what's possible for making things happen. Last week, I was involved in a mixed reality hackathon and we hacked the future, and I was so impressed with the team that was able to use the HoloLens to see an apple and calculate its calories and nutritional value, then look at a glass of orange juice and do the same thing with only with spatial computing. I like hackathons and I think the global mixed reality bootcamp is going to rock. Can't wait to learn more about Azure Spatial Anchors. So imagine a world where you can see the unseen, touch holograms, the internet of holograms. Holograms can be shared with others to visualize layouts and design. You can push and pull holograms, and where the interface becomes truly digital, touched by our digits with an instinctual interface. That's the future of mixed reality.